Okay, here we have a Bosch washing machine. Customer's saying the machine's not spinning, the drum's not turning, and we're in West Wickham in Kent. Okay, what we'll do, we'll pull the machine out and we'll do a quick test. What we do first is to test the belt, make sure the belt's not come off, removing the rear panel. Okay, the belt's perfect. Okay, now we're removing the 2 bolts retaining the motor, the last of the bolts. Yeah, most people just say motor, put a new motor in it, but we strip them out and check them first, so find a cheaper alternative. Okay, now we've removed the motor from the machine. We'll check the brushes first of all, the motor brushes that drive the armature of the motor. We can see clearly the carbon brushes on the motor have completely worn down and they will need replacement. We now have a set of Bosch carbon brushes, identical. You can see the difference between this one and this one.
My goodness.
Cool. Yeah, it's very much worn down, isn't it?
It's astonishing.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, we fit the last carbon brush now. And that's it, all fitted, all done. Actually, that might be just... Okay, we've now fitted a motor, fitted the plug back on and a retaining cable tie to retain the wiring. Okay, the other thing to test for is to check your door sill for any objects. We find in here 20 pence piece. The customer's 20 pence better off. Okay, machine's now finished. Just putting the last screw in. The access panel's refitted. So I don't want to leave my prints behind. That's it. Okay. A small trick to ease the machine back with a problem lino is to use fairy liquid just on the actual rubber feet. Very small. Okay, we're going to spin the appliance now, make sure the spin's working and the drain. Perfect. Supplied 1 set of brushes.